flow, I get high. More than I drop is the more I get low. The music is lifting me up again, so show me a tune I can nod to. Bro, I'm twisting the rules, up for the fire and the fuel. When I'm packing a punch and it's knocking my track and I'm not turning back on that.
Hey, I'm Jordan from Aquadykes NYC, and today I'm going to show you a pro tip. We are going to remove Aquasoil from cosmetic sand. All you need for this trick is tweezers and a rare earth magnet. And then you just connect them in. Don't pinch your fingers and you're good to go. Okay, so you just dip it in. You find your pesky Aquasoil that has iron inside of it already. And then you pull it out of your sand, like so.
Why don't you get up on the dance floor and move your body to the beat, my dear? It's time to party. Bring your friends. Get up, sugar, let's cut a roll and show them how it's done. Left, right, left, side to side. Let the rhythm come inside. When you feel the boogie, the jukebox boogie, you just come alive. Left, right, left, side to side. Come along for the ride. When you feel the boogie, the jukebox boogie, the music gets you high. Hey you, get on the dance floor. Let your head down tonight. Let's have some fun. Hey you, get on the dance floor. Let's live and laugh tonight. Let's have some fun. Woo, it's time to go. Mama's gonna teach you how to steal the show. Don't be afraid to hit the dance floor and shit me, baby, till you can't no more. It's time to party. Bring your friends. Get up, sugar, let's cut a roll and show them how it's
And you're back to having
left, right, left,
beautiful foreground sand.
let the rhythm come inside. When you feel the boogie, the jukebox boogie, you just come alive. Left, right, left, side to